We'll go upstairs. Okay, that's where the clinic is. There was nothing there. It was just houses were just leveled. It seemed like there was not even a house there before. So we went to the village of Katake yesterday, and it was a really horrible, desperate situation. It was worse than I think any of us could imagine. This is where they would come to get the food. And
a bit of frustration, desperation,
yeah, I'm sure,
you know?
I'm sure. It's very sad.
Lots of temporary shelters, and we brought quite a bit of rice, instant food, and some medical supplies.
Yeah, he's saying that there's some people that get some food and some people get no food at all, and he has nowhere to sleep. He doesn't even have blankets at all. You know, these are proud, but extraordinarily desperate people, and they've come walking, you know, from here for days, and you know they go back home empty-handed, walking back for days and days. And it's not easy walks. You know, these people have injuries and broken bones, spinal cord injuries, and they've got to come here and go back. Right near the Tibetan border, which was a designated site for distribution. And there were several trucks there. And Tilganga had made sure that the military was there because the distributions had to be done in an orderly fashion. Amazingly, people were very desperate, but amazingly calm, and almost in a way that was very stoic and very quiet, but you could certainly see the desperation in their eyes.
This is a big one.
Close to 6 feet.
DCR, right? Phone एकछिन. No, don't worry.
So the earthquake is not just a natural disaster, it's really a social disaster in the very real sense. It's the people who can take it the least, who deserve it the least, not that anybody deserves this, that get hit the hardest. And it's the people that don't have a voice at all.